So another day has just ended in the world of our new house. Things have changed a lot today. Staircase, and we have new doors. Absolutely stunning. So now we have a set of stairs. Let's go up for the first time. And that's the, oh my goodness. So it's going to be spindles here, obviously, and then we've got that area to down there. This is going to be like a hallway up here, so you can put obviously bits and bobs there, and then we come in to the loft room. Absolutely amazing. This is the ensuite, which is a lovely size. I am absolutely delighted. Obviously these are going to be lights, and you can see because, okay, so this is equivalent to my nose. So we are just going under there without bending, and so I reckon this is about 5'6" tall. So yeah, fabulous room. Really nice room. Whew. It's very hot. So the plan for this evening, considering it's the middle of July, we've got all bits and pieces that we've had stored all over the actual house, and we're running out of space now. So I'm going to bring them up. Some of it's down the cabin at the end of the garden, so we've got to go length of the garden, which isn't much, and up 2 flights of stairs. So it's a proper workout. Boat is going to be appreciated, hopefully. They've just gone for the day. This is what they've been doing. They've been putting these up, and it's so much more modern and gorgeous looking, don't you think? So we've got them there and here. Going through there, we did have a small accident today with my bedroom because I've had my ceiling painted. What about that? And accidentally got my bedsheet ripped, but that's okay. I don't even know whose charger that is. Anyway, so yeah, the doors are all on now. This is, I'm going to take the right way up. Let's just go right the way up, shall we? So we've got obviously big spindles there, normal spindles there, and we come up. It's so funny. You've seen that. And then this is the room. Gorgeous size room. Oh wow, there's the bathroom doors on as well. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I don't know why someone's got shoes there. Oh, this is the painter and decorators things, bless him. So yeah, we've got skirting boards are on, which is quite amazing. Architraves, which I now know are these things, I think I've got that right. Oh wow. Well, it's a shame to have to cut those doors like that, but yeah, lovely. So we're still waiting for the windows. Obviously the windows are not here, but they'll come. Amazing. Right then, so we've got a slight issue now. Our skip is like full up, and we could spend another 300 quid getting another one, because we're probably going to need one anyway, or we can try and get rid of as much of the wood as we can by having a bonfire. So that's what we're going to try and do. And my little friend here is watching me trying to clean the stairs. They're not too bad actually. We've got little bits and bobs like, see this? Whoops, see that's going to all have to be sorted, but I'm pretty sure they're going to do all that in the next couple of days, and I've got to get these stickers off of these, which is a bit of a ball ache, but I can do that. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is the day the carpenters are likely to finish their work here today. That's exciting, isn't it? It's all starting to happen. The carpet fitters have been in to measure, and the painter has been and done my ceiling, and my bed is broken, and lots of things going on, and it's really exciting right now. Good afternoon. So the carpenters have finished. They've done all their little bits of making good. Their little bits. See that? How cutesy is that? You know, it's all like nice finishes and really. Hang on, there we go, look, it's all finished off nicely. So we've got the plasterer coming to do that, and this is the bit of the stairs that's called the flight, where it goes whoosh like that. Did you know that? I didn't know that before today either, now I do. Let's go upstairs again, shall we? Just because we can. So up here, I have no idea what's happening with this. What's happening with this?
Yeah, I don't know. I said that on my vlog yesterday, actually.
Not a clue. Oh, the doggy. You can actually come up the stairs, Harley.
Come on then.
Come on. You've never been up them, have you? Coming up. Anyway, I don't know what's happening with this because we've got to do quite a lot of decorating. Not these bits, the decorator's doing that. And I would imagine the decorator's doing that. But like the things that are new that they've not done, we already did. They've got to be done. So second fix, Sparky's a coming. This door looks so small, look. Funny, not sure what that bit's for. Not a clue. And the doors on, and we come in here. Bits and bobs for, I don't know, bits of timber here and there. That's nice, look at that. Nice bit of wood. I better not lose these. These are worth an absolute arm and a leg. These are like special screws that you need to put the tiles onto the... I think the tile, there's a tile mat thing that goes there. The windows have been delayed because of COVID, but they're coming next Tuesday or Wednesday. I like the way that they just randomly scribble their notes and things on. So that's that, and then this is the bathroom. Bathroom door is now on, very nicely. But there's no lock on that. I don't suppose you have a lock on an ensuite, do you? Obviously shower's going in there. So I've got a specialist shower tray that's going in there. This is something that goes on the wall. Oh my God, I hope it fits. I didn't think about the ceiling height. So yeah, it'll be all right. So we've got a towel. Actually, is it gonna fit? Look at the size of it. Oh my God. So we've got over here a towel rail. No. Oh my God, what's going on? So there's a towel rail going somewhere. I don't know where. So that's for the sink. Maybe that's for the towel rail. Oh, well, I don't know. But toilet's going there, I think. The plan was the towel rail's going here. So there's not a lot of space. Let's put these back on, so it's really good. I like it.